Welcome to Little Champs. Hello, little champs. Today, we are going to learn phrasal verbs for small kids. Are you ready to explore? Let's go. Wake up. I wake up when the sun rises. Look out. Look out for cars before crossing the road. Turn on. Turn on the tap to get water for washing your hands. Turn off. Remember to turn off the TV when you're finished watching cartoons. Pick up. Please pick up your toys and put them in the toy box. Put down. Put down the plates gently on the table. Get up. I get up from bed when I hear the birds chirping. Sit down. Sit down on the chair and listen to the story. Eat up. Eat up your vegetables to grow big and strong. Drink up. Drink up your milk. It's good for your bones. Jump up. Jump up and down on the bed for fun. Climb up. The cat can climb up the tree to catch the bird. Go out. Let's go out to the park and play. Shut up. Shut up the window. It's getting cold. Open up. Open up the book and read the story. Give up. Don't give up trying to solve the puzzle. Put on. Put on your jacket before going outside. Take off. Take off your shoes before entering the house. Go back, and let's go back home. It's getting dark. Come back. Please come back to the table. Dinner is ready. Break down. The bicycle might break down if you don't take care of it. Set up. Let's set up the tent for our camping trip. Clean up. Clean up your room before bedtime. Go on. The show must go on, even if it rains. Come on. Come on. Let's go play in the garden. Play with your friends at the playground. Take care of your toys so they last longer. Go to. It's time to go to bed and get some sleep. Get in the car so we can go to the store. Get out of the pool now. It's time to go home. Take out your pencil and paper to draw. Get on the bus to go to school. Sit on the bench and rest for a while. Get behind. Don't get behind the tree. I can't see you. Get ahead. Try hard in school so you can get ahead. Break up. Break up the chocolate into small pieces to share. Look for. She is currently looking for a new job. Find out. Let's find out what's inside the box. Come in and join us for the game. Carry out. We need to carry out the experiment carefully. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.